Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from any website to your Shopify. So you can import products, for example, from your own website, or you can import products from Amazon or AliExpress or any e-commerce website. Okay, like I said, you can also import products from, I would say, from your own website or from another Shopify store. Okay, you can import like products from a Shopify store. Okay, it's not yours. Okay, it can be another Shopify store, and you can import products to your own Shopify store. Now what you guys need to do first is you want to log into your Shopify store. That's what I'm going to do right now. There are two apps that will help you import products from any website. I'm going to be showing you these apps and see which one you like more, and then you can use it. Okay, so I'm going to switch to my Shopify account. As you can see, now after you are on your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Then you want to click Shopify App Store. I'm going to log in. Okay, see, like I said, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now after you are on your Shopify App Store, you want to search for Importify. Okay, this is the name of the app. It's called Importify. Okay, and this is the app. It's called Importify Easy Dropshipping. This is the app. Click on install. Of course, this is not a free app, so there is only free trial. Okay, free plan. Anyway, you can go with which one you want. For example, I'm going to go with the basic. Just select which plan, then click on approve. Now next thing you need to do, guys, is first you want to just go to a new open a new tab. Okay, open a new tab, or okay, let me just see if we can download the extension here, because I just download it. Okay, so I'm going to click on okay, this is open a new tab. Okay, and search for Importify, which is the same app you downloaded, Importify extension, and this is the app, or this is the extension in the top. Let's download it. Click on add to Chrome, click again on add to Chrome. Alright, now you want to pin the extension in the top. Click on the extensions icon in the top, as you can see here, and then you want to pin the extension. This is it. Alright, now what you guys need to do next is now you just need to find any websites. Okay, for example, let's just say I want to import products from Amazon. Like I said, you can open any website. Doesn't really matter if it's known or not known, if it's not popular or not. Just open the website and make sure you open the product page. Now you want to click on the extension and then click on, so yeah, this, like Amazon, you will have to upgrade to premium plan, but the basic plan is not going to allow you to import from Amazon. For example, AliExpress. Okay, so this app, this app, the first app that I'm showing you right now, you will not be able to import products from anywhere. Okay, like only like a few websites. Now but it's very accurate, 100%, so that all the information are going to be very accurate. That's why I like this app. Okay, so I'm going to go, for example, to DH Gate, for example. I'm going to open a random product. Like I said, click on the extension at the top, click on import now, and then click scroll down. Okay, and then click on add to store here, and then this product is going to be imported to your Shopify store. As you can see here, I'm going to go to my Shopify, and as you can see in the product page, I can see the exact same product, which is this one. Okay, so we have imported the product successfully. Now what you guys need to do is, after you import the product, now if you want to import products from like your own website or another Shopify store or any website in the world, just download this app. It's called Robo. Click again on settings at the very bottom left, click on apps and sales channels, click on Shopify App Store, and then you want to search for Robo. This app offers you guys free 7 days free trial. This is the app. Okay, it's called Robo Product Importer. Now this will help you import products anywhere. Okay, anywhere. Click on install. The first app, I'm sorry, it's not going to allow you to import products from any websites, but only few websites. Like I would select 20 websites. Okay, so after you install the app, you want to click on approve. Of course, you will have to download the extension in here. Just click on the Git extension here. Download the extension. Click on add extension. Again, in the top, you want to click here on the extensions icon and make sure you pin the extension in the top. Now, what you guys need to do, you want to go to any website. Okay, any website. It can be Amazon. It can be your own website. It's just open the product page and you click again on the extension in the top. Click on add to Shopify. Okay, click on the extension, click on add to Shopify. In the next page, you can then push this product to your own Shopify store. Now you can make some changes with the description and images. After that, click on import, click on add product to Shopify. And this exact product is going to be imported. As you can see, product imported successfully. And this is the product from our Shopify store. This is it, okay? This is the product. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can import products from any website to Shopify. If you need any help, please go to the comments and let me know. If you have any questions or anything, I reply to every single comment. Drop a like and see you guys in the next one.